Hey everybody, how are you doing today? Hope that you are well. So today I'm going to talk about what is going on with Bitcoin in regards to an ETF. So there are a lot of companies that are trying to get an ETF, a Bitcoin ETF. So the US court, they made it a little bit easier for one company to get a Bitcoin ETF. This company, the name of it is called Grayscale Bitcoin Trust. Grayscale Bitcoin Trust. So they are one spot closer to becoming a spot Bitcoin ETF. So they're not actually ETF yet, but they're one step closer as a result of a clearance from the US court that happened. This is a setback for the SEC, the Security and Exchange Commissions. They have a lot of rules and regulations, so people have been applying to become Bitcoin ETFs, and they have been getting rejected by the SEC. And what they would do is like just keep reapplying and keep getting rejected, then apply again and get rejected. So this is a win for this one company called Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, where they are one spot closer to becoming a Bitcoin ETF. Again, this is a setback for the SEC, who does not fully approve it. So as a result of what happened in court, Bitcoin is up 7%, Coinbase is up 15%. There are a lot of companies that are trying to become a Bitcoin ETF fund. So they want to launch their own Bitcoin fund. And some names of those companies are BlackRock, Fidelity, Invesco. So those are some companies, but there are a wide range of companies that are trying to become Bitcoin ETFs, and they are applying through the SEC, and the SEC is rejecting their application. And then they'll make the change that the SEC wants them to make, and they'll reapply, and then there'll be something else that they have to fix. Then they fix that, then they reapply. So that's what the companies are going through right now, trying to get through the SEC to become a Bitcoin ETF. Again, there's one company called Grayscale Bitcoin Trust. They just had a win as a result of what happened in the US court system. And so that company is up 17%. So there are some people that are actually um, watching this company very closely. They already know about the company. And after they heard the ruling, they contributed more to the company. And so it's up 17%. So I just think it's interesting how different people are watching different things, different people care about different things. On the other hand, two major companies, they got out of Bitcoin. Two major companies that you are very familiar with. SpaceX sold millions of dollars of their Bitcoin, like around 370 million, and Tesla sold a lot of their Bitcoin. So that is what is going on in the crypto world. As you know, some people believe in it, other people don't. My stance is putting like 1 or 2% in it. Other people are more bullish on it. So that's really up to you. Some people would not touch Bitcoin. And then other people are doing like 30% Bitcoin. So it depends on what you want to do. But this is the fight right now. The fight is for a Bitcoin ETF. And so we will see This one company, like I said, they're one step closer, called Grayscale Bitcoin Trust. So we will see if they will be able to get that through. You're familiar with the company BlackRock. You're familiar with the company Fidelity. So if a company like Fidelity would be able to get this Bitcoin ETF up, people are already familiar with that Fidelity. And so it would make access to the ETF very easy for people who are interested in that. So Fidelity is one of the people in the fight for this ETF, along with BlackRock, along with Invesco, and then several other companies. So that is what is going on with the crypto world, the fight for the first Bitcoin ETF. All right, so do me a favor. If you like the channel, hit that like button. If you're not a subscriber, do me a favor, hit the subscribe button and notification bell next to it so that you will not miss an episode. Also, please leave a comment. Let me know your thoughts. Are you in Bitcoin? Are you staying away from Bitcoin? And if you're in it, what percentage are you putting in? Are you doing 1 or 2%? Are you doing 30%? Or is it something that you're deciding to stay away from completely? So let me know your thoughts. What do you think? And if they get this ETF passed, are you going to get in the ETF or are you going to leave it alone? So let me know your thoughts. And on your way out, don't forget, hit that like button. Thank you for watching. Have a good rest of your night.